Hi friends, how are you? I am Muhammad Leon from LeonsBD, and in this tutorial I will show you MS Word table formatting part 2. So if you didn't watch part 1, just watch the part 1 from this I button or link is given in the description box. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. I make videos on technology, and now at this moment MS Word series is going on. Okay, so let's get started. First, I will insert a table. For doing that, go to insert table. So I'll take maybe 6 by 5 table and then left click. Okay. So from here, click on here and grid table. Click on here. Okay. So this is actually grid table. Okay. So and this one is branded color. That means alternative rows will be colored. Okay. And this one is header. So if you want to remove header, from here just uncheck the header row. Okay, see, and now at this moment all the rows are branded rows. Okay, so I am taking it back. Okay, then branded rows, if you want to notice, alternative rows are branded. If you want to do it for column, I am unchecking the branded rows and I will put a tick mark on branded columns. Now at this moment alternate columns are branded. Yeah, that's it. From here I am removing this thing and I am taking plain table. Okay, and I'm going to layout. So see, my cursor is blinking here. If I want to increase the height of row, what I will do, I will from here just increase the height. See, the height of this entire row is increasing. Okay, but not the other rows, only for this row. Okay, and at the same way, if I want to increase the width of column, so what I will do, from here I will increase the column width. See, only for this column width has been increased. Okay, so what if height of all the rows and width of all the column will be same and uniform? So for doing that, we will do distribute row, and now at this moment height of all the rows are same, and if I do it for columns, I have to do for distribute columns. Okay, now at this moment height of all the rows and width of all the columns are same. So height is 0.25 inch for all the rows and width is 1.11 inch for every column. Okay, if I want to insert above, see here I have 4 options actually: insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. Insert above and insert below are for rows, and insert left and insert right are for column. Okay, if I want to insert a row above this row, so what I will do, from here just insert above. So see, another row has been created. Okay, I'm taking my cursor pointer here. So if I want to insert row below this row, okay, so from here insert below. See, another row has been created. Okay, taking my cursor pointer here, maybe if I want to insert a column at the left side of this column, so what I'll do, from here insert left. See, at the left side a column has been created. Taking my cursor pointer here. If I want to insert a column at the right side of this column, from here insert right. Okay, a column has been created at the right side of this column. Okay, in this way you can insert rows and columns. Okay, so if I want to delete this entire row, what I'll do, from here delete rows. That row has been deleted. Okay, if I want to delete this column, so from here take your mouse pointer here, you will see a arrow, then just left click. So enter column has been selected. From here delete, then delete column. So that column has been deleted. This one is my first row. I want to give a header. For this, all the cells should be merged. So just select all the rows from here, and from here merge cell. See what happened? All the cells have been merged, and now at this moment you can write anything and everything here. So I'm bringing it back. Delete. Maybe I'll delete this column. From here delete columns. Okay, in the next video I'll show you auto fit and split table. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you have any query, just comment in the comment section. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.